Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you saw my video yesterday about the panda updates. I'm going back to Fort. Yes, I have been searching around for a bit, and I just found a wolf, and you know I've got like so much bones. I don't even use them, and I'm glad I had so much bones because that wolf used like so much bones. Literally, I'm so glad. Not as much as 13. More, not like for like you lose like. Where'd he go? There he go. There he went. Okay, guys. That's my wolf. That's my dog. I will be back right now. Okay, guys. I got killed, so I spawned home, but now I don't know where my dog is. Like literally, I really don't know where he is. I'm gonna have to do one thing. Where's a mob I must kill? Where's a mob I can kill? Like literally, now I need to kill something, hit it. Not like a chicken because they die easily. I just need to hit the chicken with maybe bread or something, and then my wolf should come out now. Where's my wolf? Where's my dog? Really? Did I lose him or something? Where is my dog? I got cooked beef. Okay, guys, we'll search for him tomorrow. Well, Minecraft tomorrow, not real tomorrow. Where is he? Where is he? Like really? Where is he? Like really? Okay, there's a black sheep. There's a sheep right there. Well, a black sheep. Strange. He's not responding to me. He's not coming. But I thought because I tamed him, he would follow me or something. Like really, I thought I tamed him, so he could like follow me. That's actually really strange. Yeah, if you hear the thunder out there, it's because it's been really thundering. It's been the weather's not pretty. I'll put it like that. Guys, probably obviously not now because I'm still gaming. But later I'm going to open up another channel called Christian TDWAS for Christian TDW Animating Studio. Because Crazy Kai Plays, I'm not sure if he's gonna upload his videos, but of his story with me. But if he doesn't, he's more of an animator, so that's why. If he doesn't, I'm so worried about my wolf right now. Where's my wolf? Let's see if there's a cheat code to get my wolf back. Yeah, that was mysterious. I was just walking and then it does this. Killed Christian TDW. Spawn estate. Let's see. Spawn. Is that good? Huh? Spawn wolf. Oh. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to respawn my wolf, I think. What the? Where is the wolf? Like really? Okay guys, I will be back soon, I guess. I'm just gonna search for the wolf because you guys want. I'm just gonna search for the wolf. You guys want to see an actual story today, not me finding a wolf. So I'll be back soon. Okay guys, I'm back. I searched really hard to find him. I found him, and I searched really hard to find the place that we were at. So yeah, this is him. Isn't he adorable? Yeah, he's my wolf. So he's going to follow me, I guess. I hope. I really don't want to. I wonder what happened to my other wolf. Nah, I'm just kidding. I know what happened. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. That's the same wolf. He's been following me, but I don't know where. I wonder if he needs rotten flesh. Now I have a reason to use rotten flesh now, practically, because I got a wolf. Dog. I'm sorry. I must take care of him. Okay, let's go. I just want to see how he reacts when I hit an animal. I just haven't seen it in a long time, so I want to see it happen. Good job. Good job. Maybe a zombie can eat it, like in Fear the Walking Dead. Dang it, my dog, my dog, poor dog, my poor dog, my poor dog. Oh my gosh, I need rotten fish. Okay, come on, boy, let's go, boy. Let's keep on going home. So yeah, it's actually pretty great because I don't just have a dog, I also have a horse. Ah, shucks. Now I have a personal helper, other than an iron golem. I like how he's shaking up. Good boy. He just came and saved me. What's up with him now? Okay, I'm gonna make him come. Okay, great. I just love how they shake when they're drying up. I really like it. I think it's cute or something. Yeah, I haven't found pandas in this world yet, but I'm planning on. Guys, my video can't be too long. Maybe 10-15 minutes, because the problem with my stuff is that it's my videos are too long, and with do record, if a video is too long, it just goes corrupt instead. So yeah, yeah. Guys, I'll be back now. Okay, guys, I couldn't find home, but I found something else. The sea. The sea is amazing. And you haven't really been exploring it. I haven't really explored it. So yeah, that too. But where'd he go now? Where's my dog now? Where is he? Like, really now? Oh, there he is. I really couldn't find him for a moment. And I am lost. I am really lost. I'll show you the sea later. I am more focused on getting back home. And leaving him to be comfortable. Oh, there he is. I like the wolves. I like wolf dogs in Minecraft. They're so cool. I really don't know where my house is. I really need to make a map. How do you build maps? I need to make a map. Okay, where must I go? I'm really lost. I don't think drowns will spawn here. I mean, this is really shallow water. But now it's getting late, so, yeah. It's coming night, so I must also be careful. Good thing I have my dog. I don't know where's it? Where's home? Guys, I'll be back now. I think. You know what? No, I'm gonna go all the way through. No, I am definitely lost because I do not know that lava pool. Where's my dog? No! Pooh, my dog! My dog is dead! No! I feel so bad. Now there's no point even trying to survive to get home. I'm just gonna go jump in the lava pit. There's literally no point in trying to survive to get home. He died! Like, really? There's not even point trying to survive to get home. You know what? Since he's dead, I'll do that. I can't believe he died. What a sad start. What a sad thing. I mean, my dog died. I'm just gonna have to make a grave for him now. You saw that, guys? Really? That was awful. Yeah, I just typed it in for fun. For a moment I was typing in my I was trying to type in a cheat code there, and I realized no, this is not the right place. I just can't stop feeling bad. What do I need? Okay. He died for me. Really? That shows, guys, I think that shows how loyal a dog is. Literally. That dog gave his life for me. And all because of a creeper. I hate creepers so much. I really hate creepers so much. I spent so much time trying to find a dog, and now a creeper kills it. I feel so mad and upset about it. Yes, that is a thunder. Yes, it's a thunder. Not in the game, outside if you hear it. No, why am I going to craft a sign in a chest? What do I still need? Oh yeah, planks. Just gonna craft one. Do I hear it? Okay, great. Oh yeah, I've got some diamonds and I've made that. I'm really disappointed. Why my dog? My dog. Out of all dogs, mine. I was gonna name him Pooch, so I'm just gonna put Pooch on his grave. Where's the... Okay, I'm gonna leave it. No, not wrong chest. What a pity. Okay, let's get the... Where's my stone now? Oh my word. Wow. It was just so bad. It's like You saw him. He was fighting the zombie for me, and then the creeper blew up next to him. I was gonna try walk away. Yes, that is the thunder. So yeah, this is my first and last video with Pooch, I guess. So yeah, that's I have a reason to be a bit ticked off. Okay. Okay, now I need to get a. Now I just need to get some. What do I need to get? I need to make some. I need to make a chest. But why? Why did he have to die? He just joined my series and died. Why dog? Why my dog? Why mine? Couldn't it just be a cat? I'm personally not a cat fan. The only reason I'll ever have them in Minecraft is so that I don't get attacked by creepers or phantoms. Because a cat is you don't have the cat owns you. Dog, there's no such thing. It's a man and a dog who are friends forever. What a pity, eh? Leave in the comments your condolences if you care. Yeah. Well, yeah, it's a pity, eh? It's a big pity. He like literally just joined the series. Sorry, I'm repeating myself now. Oh wow, it becomes grass there, but not here. Wow. Oh wow. I haven't even crafted the chest. Look how bad I feel. And it's not even a real dog. So I must show you how much I care a lot for fake dogs. That shows you I think a lot about my real dog. I'm gonna also leave a bone in there. Just gonna leave a bone. Because it's literally all I have left of Pooch. This some of the it's special to me, I know. Sure, it used to be part of a skeleton, but now it's there. My word. Okay, let's get the sign. No, oops. Sorry about that. Pooch. Done. Okay guys, that is it for today. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Goodbye guys. Wait, well, not on the anvil. Let's go into a place where you can see me better. And yeah, well, this is good enough. Bye guys, see you next time.